Going by the numbers, a guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first, to go by the numbers. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and why it's a useful expression in both everyday and professional contexts. To go by the numbers refers to following a procedure or a set of rules very closely or exactly. It's about adhering to a prescribed method or sequence without taking shortcuts or improvising. This phrase emphasizes precision, order, and sometimes a lack of creativity due to strict adherence to rules. The expression likely comes from practices where numbers play a crucial role in instructions or operations, such as in the military, baking, or even painting by numbers. These contexts underscore the importance of following steps in a specific order for the desired outcome. Knowing its origin helps to appreciate the situations where this phrase can be particularly relevant. When using "to go by the numbers," you're often highlighting a situation where there's little room for personal interpretation or deviation from the plan. Here are some examples to help you grasp its usage. When assembling the furniture, it's best to go by the numbers to avoid any mistakes. The chef instructed his team to go by the numbers for the recipe to ensure consistency in the dish. While the phrase typically suggests rigidity, in some contexts, it can be seen positively, as in ensuring safety or maintaining high standards. Conversely, it might be used critically in situations where flexibility and creativity are called for but are being suppressed. Context is key to understanding whether "to go by the numbers" is being used to commend diligence or to critique a lack of adaptability. We hope this exploration of "to go by the numbers" has been enlightening and adds another interesting phrase to your English vocabulary toolkit. Remember, language is rich and varied, and understanding the nuances of phrases like this one can help you communicate more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.